Welcome, today I'm showing how to customize a quick launch into a POCO C50. First of all, open your settings, then scroll down and go into additional settings option. Here I choose against the shortcuts option, and here we got all our quick launch option. First option is launch Google Assistant. Press and hold the power key for half second. Let's activate this option. For example, click back, take a screenshot here option, volume down plus power key, slide through fingers down, launch camera, activate this both option, go back, and here we got turn on touch. And here we got the same option, double press the power key. So if we try to activate this option, we can get the message. Double press the power key is used for launch camera, replace or not. If we tap replace, we activate this option, turn on touch. If we tap cancel, we activate our launch camera. So I want to activate my launch camera, I tap cancel, and it's option disabled automatically. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.